Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the best Powerline adapters, your ultimate solution for extending internet coverage without messy cables. Whether you're streaming 4K movies, gaming online, or just trying to banish Wi-Fi dead zones, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and find the perfect pick for your needs. If you're just stepping into the world of Powerline adapters, the DLink is a straightforward, no-frills option. With speeds of up to 1000 megabytes per second, it's great for light to moderate internet use, like browsing or streaming HD content. Its compact design ensures it won't hog precious space around your outlets, and the energy-saving mode helps reduce electricity costs. However, the DLink has its limits. It offers just one Ethernet port and lacks a pass-through socket, which means you'll lose the use of a power outlet. Plus, performance can vary significantly depending on your home's electrical wiring. Still, if you're looking for an affordable option that gets the job done without any extras, this is a solid pick. The TPLink H631 is another beginner-friendly option with speeds of up to 1000 megabytes per second. Setting it up is as easy as plugging it in, no technical know-how required. Plus, its sleek and compact design means it won't block adjacent outlets, and its energy-efficient mode can save you up to 85% on power usage. But just like the DLink, it comes with compromises. With only one Ethernet port and no power socket pass-through, its functionality is limited. Despite this, it's perfect for users who need a quick and simple way to connect to a single device to a reliable network. Stepping up the game is the TRENDnet 422. With speeds of up to 1300 megabytes per second and MIMO technology, it delivers a smoother, more stable connection, especially in homes with multiple devices. It's also scalable, supporting up to 8 adapters on the same network, making it a great choice for expanding connectivity throughout a larger home. Unfortunately, it still sticks to a single Ethernet port and skips the pass-through socket. While it's a step above the entry-level options, these limitations make it less versatile for users with more complex setups. Next, we have the TRENDnet 423, which takes all the great features of its predecessor and adds a built-in pass-through socket. This means you can still use the power outlet it's plugged into, perfect for those tight on outlet space. Its energy-efficient design is another plus, keeping your power bills low while maintaining a high-speed connection. However, it's not without its flaws. With just one Ethernet port and no Wi-Fi capability, it's best suited for users looking to boost wire connections without needing additional wireless coverage. Still, it's a reliable mid-tier option that balances functionality and price. For those who want to extend both wired and wireless networks, the TPLink H617 is a fantastic choice. This dual-band adapter provides reliable AC 1200 Wi-Fi, delivering seamless streaming and gaming on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. It also features a pass-through socket to keep your outlet available, and the compact design ensures it fits neatly into any space. The main downside is its single Ethernet port, which may not be ideal for users needing multiple wired connections. Performance can also fluctuate depending on your home's electrical wiring. Still, it's an excellent all-round choice for families and multiple device households. The TPLink H631 is the powerhouse of this list. With 1300 megabytes per second speeds, dual-band Wi-Fi, and 3 Ethernet ports, it's built to handle everything from 4K streaming to competitive gaming. The built-in pass-through socket adds extra convenience, and its energy-saving mode keeps costs low while maintaining top-notch performance. Its only real drawback is its larger size, which might block adjacent outlets. But when it comes to features and performance, this adapter stands out as the ultimate choice for modern households with diverse connectivity needs. Finally, we have the Netgear PLP2000. Boasting blazing fast speeds of up to 2000 megabytes per second, it's perfect for bandwidth-heavy tasks like streaming and gaming. Its 2 Ethernet ports allows for multiple wire devices, and the pass-through socket ensures you don't lose access to your outlet. MIMO technology enhances stability even in challenging wiring environments. However, its larger size may be a drawback, especially for tight spaces. It's also one of the pricier options and only includes 90 days of technical support. Despite these shortcomings, the Netgear is a high-performance solution for users who demand the best. There you have it, our picks for the best Powerline adapters. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly basic or top-tier performance, there's something on this list for everyone. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.